Minister Wogiteri Fred Matiang'i uria wari wa mbere kugiriria cukari wa Mathara akiuga ati wina mercury na copper undu uria ukararitio ni honge itiganite cia thirikari niwe ogwetereirwo ni kamiti ya bunge iria irathuthuria cukari ucio aithiranirie bururi kihumo kia ndumiriri yake no ndegukinyaga atira.
I have a reason why Matiang'i is not here. A company by the name Protex is owned by one of the strongest people in this country. And that could be a reason why Matiang'i is not here, because he's afraid. The company number 112 is owned by one Muhoho Kenyatta.
Hii si mara ya kwanza na si komiti ya kwanza yeye kukataa kuja. Inafaa atueleze hii kazi anafanya peke yake ama anafanya na Wakenya wengine.
Irua ria tariki 26 mweri wa 6 kuri kamiti iyo riri na kirore kia mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugitiri Karanja Kibisho riugite ati Matiang'i oima na wira muingi wa guthagania mucemanio wa atongoria gitaru kia Afrika ya irathiro.
But Chair, how important is it the meeting that Matiang'i today is telling us is officiating vis-a-vis what we are doing here?
The CS of Interior is so key in this matter as a person in charge of security in the country and one who would be willing to have Kenyans protected.
Now this committee writes a demand letter to summon him to appear either tomorrow or Thursday.
Muthenya wa keri aruna kia urimi iganda na kigina membre wa kamiti iyo marahithuririe ati itua ria kugira cukari ucio kuma nja wa bururi riahitukirio ni ndundu ya maminista nacio kambuni cia maheni ingi ene maria andu mekuagirwo ni endia ndawa cia kurebia ikirehe cukari ucio kwa uingi. No undu wa magigi uria urahithuririo muthenya wa ira ni ati thirikari ndioi muigana wa cukari wa magendo uria wi guku bururi-ini no iretikira ati ni muingi muno.
So if he doesn't appear on Thursday at 8, I can assure you we will issue the summons, which definitely also have very serious and severe consequences.
Riu Minister Wogiteri ena giathi kingi na kamiti no muthenya wa Aramithi thaa 2:30 cia rucini. Uthuthuria uyu ugithiaga na mbere, thirikari ni irikitie kuhithukia makiria ma ngunia 12,000 cia cukari uyu mwena wa Mavoko kaunti-ini ya Machakos mugunda-ini wa mahua wa Primarosa. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.